What's up everybody, Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2020 Subaru Outback. So it's of course the Outback version of the Legacy that we saw a couple of months ago in Chicago, and it's very good looking. So it's going to be available in both the base engine and the XT version, which uses the Ascent's 2.4 liter turbocharged engine, and it's also got 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, exactly like the Ascent. And so it's a really good look. I do like the way that, especially the taillights in the back, where the way they're kind of smoked there, look very good. Also, you have those horizontal fog lights instead of the round ones you used to have. And so they're also claiming 8.7 inches of ground clearance on all versions of the Outback as well, which is better than a lot of SUVs, which is pretty impressive. So getting back to the engines though, if you do go for the naturally aspirated 2.5 liter boxer that's still available, that still has direct injection, but they say 90% of its parts are new, but it still does 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. They all use a CVT, the same CVT that Subaru has used before, and so it has an 8-speed manual mode. They're saying, you know, with the steering wheel paddle shifters that are coming on some of the models, and so other capability things are that the 2.4 liter turbo version actually can do a 3,500 pound towing capacity now, which is the best for any Outback ever. And if you go for the non-turbo engine, you can have more than 600 miles of range on a single tank of gas, they're saying. The fuel economy is going to be 26 in the city, 33 highway for that base engine, and then for the turbo you get 23 city, 30 highway. So still, you know, pretty good fuel economy. Other things here, it's on the completely new, you know, Subaru global platform that the Forester is on, the Legacy, you know, everything's basically moving to that platform, the Impreza as well. And so, you know, because of that, it's just much more refined. They say it's 70% stiffer, and everything is just much better now. It's also, you know, going to be an NYIAS top safety pick plus, they're anticipating. It's also 3 decibels quieter on the highway than the previous Outback, which is, again, should be a nice improvement. There's all kinds of high-tech stuff too on the inside. The main thing is, you know, the thing that debuted with the Legacy, the 11.6 inch display there that's like a massive tablet and very cool. Has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, all that stuff built into there, which is a really impressive display and one of the largest in the industry on any vehicle, period. It also comes with Subaru's Eyesight driver assist tech, and it also does the thing where it monitors you as well, which debuted with the Forester, the driver focus system, I think is what they call it. And so that's, you know, something that they're helping to, you know, fight distracted driving and things like that. And they're also, I think they said it was around 32 cubic feet of cargo space there for the rear area. There's also now a power liftgate you can get, and also they say you can wave in front of the Subaru emblem to have that hatch open up, but someone tried it and it didn't seem to work, so not sure, you know, how great that'll work. Maybe that's something they're still working on a little bit. But anyway, once it is open though, if you do put the seats down, you can actually get a cargo floor length of 78 inches and 75.7 cubic feet of cargo space, again with those seats folded down. There's also a new Onyx edition for the Outback XT, and that's going to be the base trim actually for the XT version, but that will give you all the black accents you see there, you know, with the black badging and wheels and all that type of stuff. And that's basically based on a premium trim, but does give you, again, that turbo motor. But getting to the packaging and all the different models that are going to be available, you start, of course, with the non-turbo version that's available in a base trim, a premium trim, limited, and touring. You go up to the XT. The Onyx edition, like I said, is the base one for the XT. Then there's the limited XT and the touring XT. So it's nice that, you know, you don't have to go up to the bigger engine in order to get the top trim. You can still get a limited and touring with the slower engine, but if you do want the extra power, you know, you can still get it in a slightly lower trim that isn't quite as high up as the limited or the touring. They didn't announce any kind of pricing either for these just yet, but they said that that'll be announced closer to the on sale date, which will be this fall. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on the new Outback in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.